how to make wire transfer from Bank of America, you will need to use their website, as the Bank of America mobile app does not support wire transfer functionality. First, open the Bank of America website on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay and Transfer section or look for Transfer options. You should see an option for Wires or ACS, Automated Clearing System, which you can select to initiate the transfer. Next, enter the recipient's account details, including their name, address, bank account number, routing number, and account type. Make sure to also fill in the amount, frequency, and a description of the transfer. Once you've entered all the necessary information, tap on the Continue Transfer option to proceed. For first-time transfers to a recipient, you will need to add them as a new payee within the online banking system. After doing so, you will be able to complete the wire transfer. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.